question answers? Yes, children? Where did we leave the class? Tell me, please. Children?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. Tell me, where did we leave the class?
Ma'am,
Yes. I hope everybody has got the link. 15 have given the attendance. Mustaba Khan has not joined but given the attendance.
ma'am, we were doing role of police and
No.
ma'am,
History,
we were
our
doing
history, question answers, and everything is over.
No, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
This is what I'm asking. No, that day we started because 2 classes were combined, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell where exactly we were, which exercises or question answers only we have to do.
Ma'am, F, third question.
F
Ma'am,
third.
only
Okay.
question answers are left.
Okay, fine. Give me a minute. F, right? And children, some works. The other day we have done some worksheets or not? Worksheet was done.
No, ma'am, ma'am, you had taken a quiz.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Worksheet is done.
Okay, fine. Only quiz words done. Okay. Quickly your attendance and we start with the class. Eighth B. Roll number 1, Akshar. Akshar is present? No. Abhinath? Abhinav? Not there. Ankur Gangwar? Okay. Then Aryan Bharadwaj. Yes? Aryan Bharadwaj?
Yes, ma'am, Aryan present.
Yes, very good.
Yes, ma'am, Aryan.
Beta, I've marked. Then we have Divyansh Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we have Prachi Gangwar. Prachi is there in the class?
Ma'am, present.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then Pradyunsh.
Present, ma'am.
Then we have Priyanshi Karwal.
Present, ma'am.
Where is Priyanshi gone? Okay, Priyanshi is also.
Present, ma'am.
Yes, Priyanshi. So how was your Christmas?
Ma'am,
very nice.
Very nice. Rakshit Solanki.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Then we have Samriddhi Shukla. Samriddhi Shukla is there. Sanidhya, are you there,
present,
beta?
ma'am.
Sanidhya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good
Yes,
morning.
ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Then we have Shrey Shivankar.
Ma'am.
Okay, Shrey is also there. Fine. Fine. Let others come and join. We start with the class. So we were on F exercise. F exercise, third question. What was the state of education for women in the 19th century? This one? Pradyunsh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ishan Johri has also joined us. Beta Ishan, change your name. Ishan, change your name, beta. Okay, fine. Who will give this answer? What was the state of education for women in the 19th century?
Ma'am,
In
the
the
answer of
19th century was
Huh.
was the period of Victorian era. During the time women was not given much education. Girls from upper classes had the privilege to attend the formal elementary schools.
Where is it written?
No, ma'am, I have written it in my copy.
Acha, you have written in your notebook on your own. That's really very good. What you can do is, you can write, in segregations it is written. In Indian society of the 19th century was in grip of several social and religious evils. Then the position of the women. I am dictating. Are you all marking?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. 50 to 70 words we have to write. Okay. So
Ma'am, we are on which page number?
beta, we are on page number 68, F exercise, and we are doing question number 3. What was the state of education for women in the 19th century? Anybody who would like to try this question? ईशान, आप शिनशान के जैसे दिखते हो? ईशान,
Yes, ma'am.
do you look like Shinshan?
Ma'am,
No,
which
ma'am.
question we have to tell?
Okay. You have to tell question number 3, F exercise. What was the state of education for women in the 19th century?
Ma'am, I can't find it. Ma'am, where it is?
Page 68.
ma'am, they were expected
Okay.
to learn only the music, embroidery, cooking, and etc. and to satisfy their husband and children and the family members only.
Look after their family members, look after the family, look after the elder members of the family. So what we can do is, see, in the 19th century, after the efforts, the state of education changed for women in the 19th century because of the efforts of the social reformers, those who were there. But then many schools and colleges were open for the women for education, but then it could not be spread up to various regions. Still, it was limited, it was confined to certain places, certain areas. Right?
Yes,
Right,
ma'am.
class? Anybody who would like to add, during the late 18th century, Sunday schools held at church or chapal became widely popular. Huh. Okay, very good, Priyanshi. Who else would like to answer? what we can do is listen. What we can do is we can write about all the social reformers, the work done by them, right? We can write about them. Avinath is feeling sleepy.
Ma'am, can we make a table?
Why to make a table? Don't make a table for this. They are simply asking what was the state of education in 19th century. In the 19th century, it was not very much developed, but in the late 19th century, in the later end of the century, you can write that because of the efforts of the social reformers, several educational institutions came up for women particularly, right? Then widow remarriage and other things which were there, that was also there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. So you will write this answer on your own?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then bring out the efforts made by Pandita Ramabai for improving the condition of the women.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
may I
may I
tell?
tell?
Yes, chalo, Prachi, tell.
Ramabai began her social work with Arya Mahila Samaj in Pune. Later, she established the Sharda Sadan, a school for Indian widows in Bombay. Ramabai's greatest contribution was her effort to educate the widows, and she left behind her pupils to carry her work forward.
Very good. Very good. You can write this answer in points. Any other point for the same question?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell.
Ma'am, her own experience as a widow led her to work for the welfare of widows.
Very good. You can write this. What we can write
And ma'am,
is,
we should.
you can start from here that Pandita Ramabai was a pioneer in the field of women's reform. She was educated in the sacred Sanskrit text by her father. Then her own experience as a widow led her to work for the welfare of widows. She began her social work. यहाँ पे रमाबाई लिखा है. You can write, she began her social work with Arya Mahila Samaj in Pune. Then you can change. She established the Sharda Sadan, a school for Indian widows in Bombay. Her greatest contribution was her effort to educate the widows, and that's it, widows. Her greatest contribution was her effort to educate the widows, right?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Ma'am, can you repeat the points of first paragraph?
Yes. First point you will write, Pandita Ramabai was a pioneer in the field of women's reform. Then she was educated in the sacred Sanskrit text by her father. She became a widow at a young age, and her own experience as a widow led her to work for the welfare of widows. Then next point, she began her social work with Arya Mahila Samaj in Pune. She established the Sharda Sadan, a school for Indian widows in Bombay. Then her greatest contribution was her effort to educate the widows. Full stop. Answer complete. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Then next is, what efforts were undertaken to facilitate social reform in Muslim society? Beta, what you can do is, for this answer, you can take the points of the previous chapter, where much has been written about Sir Syed Ahmad Khan's contribution in bringing up Aligarh Muslim University, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Hanji. So, who is going to tell me this answer?
Ma'am,
Yes, Ankur.
Ma'am, among the Muslims, Khwaja Talaf Hussain Ali and Sheikh Muhammad Abdullah introduced education for girls. The Aligarh movement, led by the Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, also did much for the education and emancipation of Muslim women.
ठीक है, ये तो हमने, और जो प्रीवियस चैप्टर में से थोड़ा Yes, Pradyumsh.
In 1875, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan has founded the Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College in Aligarh and structured the college after Oxford and Cambridge University that he had visited on the trip to England.
We can avoid this point. We can simply write that in 1875 he founded the Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College in Aligarh.
In Aligarh.
Okay. Then what
Okay.
else you can write?
Ma'am, a school for girls was established in 1907.
Yes.
Ma'am, by 1920, college was transferred into a university and name was given Aligarh Muslim University.
नहीं, इसको मत लिखो. जो first point that you have written, that is fine. It will do. Then you can, what you can write is how we can start this answer, right? From the beginning, we will write several efforts were undertaken to facilitate social reforms in Muslim society, right? Then first point you will write various social reformers like Khwaja Altaf Hussain Ali, Sheikh Mohammed Abdullah, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan are the names of the social reformers for the Muslims. ठीक है? Right? Then you will write these people, next point mein you will write these people introduced education for girls. Right? Then you will write a school for girls was established in 1907 by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Right? The first chancellor of the university, Aligarh Muslim University, was a lady Sultan Shah Jahan Begum. Then,
Ma'am, we have to write this point also.
these points also you have to write because nothing much is written in the book about the Muslim reformers. So what we can do is we can always take help from here. Right?
मैम फर्स्ट कैंसिलर पॉइंट तो मैम इसके बारे में बहुत ज्यादा रिलेट नहीं कर रहा है.
हम क्योंकि भाई विमेन इमेनिसिपेशन की बात हो रही है ना, विमेन अपलिफ्टमेंट की बात हो रही है, तो भाई हमें ये भी तो बताना है कि किस तरीके से वहां पे जो सुल्तान शाहजहां बेगम थी उनको जो है वो बनाया गया था, चांसलर बनाया गया था, फर्स्ट चांसलर. ठीक है, बस आई थिंक दिस मच इज सफिशिएंट. ठीक है,
यस मैम.
चाहिए. चलिए, I hope all have marked these answers.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now coming to the next question, G exercise. First question. What led the social reformers to work for the emancipation of women? See, this answer particularly will cover up all the, reforms done by various reformers for the women. Are you getting me, class?
यस मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what you can do is you take 2 minutes to underline important lines by the reforms done by the various reformers, and then after 2 minutes whosoever does it first will tell me the answers. Right? Samriddhi,
Yes, ma'am.
will you be telling this answer? Have you read this chapter? Samriddhi, have you read this chapter? Samriddhi, Rakshit, Achha, children, in this question, you have to tell that what were the reasons that made these social reformers work for the emancipation of women. So here the condition of the
Ma'am,
women, you have to write about the condition of the women that led to the upliftment of the women in the society. Right?
Ma'am, so we did not need to tell the reforms done by the reformers.
That you don't have to tell. That you don't have to tell. You simply have to tell that what were the conditions that of the women that led to the social reformers to think about the emancipation of women.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, Ankur.
The position of the woman in the society was deplorable due to the prevalence of the practices such as sati, infanticide, but the system, Devdasi system, polygamy, child marriage, and illiteracy. It was in the first half of the 19th century that efforts were made to eradicate these practices.
Very good. Only this
ma'am,
much.
may I tell?
Yes, Sanidhya, tell.
Ma'am, there was lack of women leadership and the girl education was very less. And ma'am, the illiteracy was more in that time in 19th century. And ma'am, the dowry system, child marriage, and ma'am, the child labor was the main evil of that time.
चाइल्ड लेबर तो कहीं नहीं दिया हुआ है, चाइल्ड मैरिज को
मैम
आप
बाकी वो
हाँ
मैम इसमें दिया नहीं है, लेकिन चाइल्ड
हम
लेबर
लिख सकते हैं, हम लिख सकते हैं, बट यहाँ पे बेसिकली जो है विमेन इमेंसिपेशन की बात हो रही है ना, तो चाइल्ड लेबर को आप एग्जाम कर सकते हो एक बार को यहाँ पे, है ना? ठीक है सानिध्य बेटा?
यस मैम.
हाँ, what we can write is I am repeating what you people have told, okay? The situation of the women in the society led the social reformers to work for the emancipation of women. ठीक है, ये आपका इंट्रोडक्टरी लाइंस हो गए. Then the position of the women in the society was deplorable. Full stop. Several social practices like sati, infanticide, parda system, devdasi system, polygamy, child marriage, and illiteracy were prevalent in this society. Women had to follow the customs of the husband's household. Third point. Then fourth point. After her husband's death, she was forced to live in a difficult situation as a widow or become a sati, immolating herself at the funeral pyre of her husband. Right? इतनी situations के बाद जो है ये सब होने की वजह से जो है many of the social reformers they thought of the emancipation of women in the society. Right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Coming to the next question. What were the achievements of Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar? Who will tell?
Ma'am, 10.
Yes, Anidya.
Ma'am, I.
हाँ, अच्छा.
Ma'am, the biggest achievement of Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar was to opening school for the girls and changing the status one image of women in the society of Bengal.
Okay, what else?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Hindu.
Wait, Sanidhya. Who wants to tell?
Sanidhya, your mic is on mute.
Acha, Pradyumsh tell, beta. Pradyumsh tell.
Mummy, I tell.
Let Pradyumsh tell, Prachi, then you
Ishwar
tell.
Chandra Vidyasagar campaign.
हाँ, read out.
Okay, ma'am.
Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar was championed the cause of female education. He set up as many as 35 schools for girls, many of which run at his own expenses. He set up the first Indian school for girls in Calcutta in 1849. He also opposed polygamy and child marriage. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar made another significant contribution by leading the campaign to legalize widow remarriage. And this much only.
Very good. Very good. Any other point that
It will be on in
added?
points.
This will be in points. I got it. Very well said. And anybody who would like to add on points to this answer? Sanidhya?
Ma'am,
Yes,
he
ma'am. We can
also,
also write that as a result of his efforts, the
Huh?
Widow Remarriage Act was passed in 1856.
Very good.
The marriage of a widow and the first one from the upper caste was celebrated in Calcutta on 7 December 1856 under the supervision of Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. He personified the best of 19th century reformers and demonstrated an untiring will for positive social action.
Very good. These points also could be added. Very good, Prachi. So, any other point?
No, ma'am.
Any other point?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, Anidya.
Ma'am, he also achieved some of the achievements due to her excellence work in some of the fields.
Where is it written?
Ma'am, I on.
Okay, very good. Very good. So let us do one thing. Let us compile all the points, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. So we will start our answer. We will begin the answer. Writing the main achievements of Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar were: first, he championed page 64, left hand side, last two words. First point, Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar championed the cause of female education. First point. Second point, he set up as many as 35 schools for girls, many of which were run at his own expense. Third point, Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar was instrumental in the setting up of the first Indian school for girls in Calcutta in 1849. Okay, then next paragraph, Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar made significant contribution in legalizing widow remarriage. As a result of it, till widow remarriage you have written. After that, as a result of his efforts, the Widow Remarriage Act was passed in 1856. Then, concluding lines, Vidyasagar personified, Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar personified the best of 19th century reformers and demonstrated an untiring will for positive social action. Full stop, answer complete. I hope this much is clear and understood to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Do I need to repeat again?
No, ma'am.
Fine.
No, ma'am.
That's really very good. Very good. Now compare the present status of women with that of 19th and early 19th century. This answer you will do on your own, and we will discuss it in the class. Now you tell me, you want to do it today itself or in the next class? We have one more class. No, in the next class we will discuss this third answer. You write it on your own. Then fourth question, don't do this question, cut this question. Okay. Fine.
Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am.
Then come to the last question. What were the efforts made in North and South India to improve the condition of women?
मैम आपने साल खाली 2 क्वेश्चंस कट करवाए.
अच्छा बेटा बाकी की जरूरत नहीं थी ना, ये चीजें बहुत रिपीटेड हो रही है, इस वजह से हमने कटवा दिया इसको, है ना. बाकी जब हम नोट बनाएंगे तो हम सब रिफॉर्मर के बारे में लिखेंगे ही लिखेंगे. सो देयर इज नो पॉइंट कि हम कुछ छोड़ दें, है ना. Where were you, Abhinath? Connection issues?
Ma'am, I was disconnected.
Acha, you were disconnected. Okay, got it. No problems. I hope now how will you do the question answers? We were discussing that only.
I'm recording.
Okay, recording. You will see. Very good. What were the efforts made in North and South India to improve the condition of women?
Ma'am, in North India, Swami Dayanand, the founder of the Arya Samaj, carried the work for the women women's reform further. He encouraged the female education to the further cause of Arya Samaj. And in the South India, the R. Venkata Raman Naidu fought against the Devdasi system, while Veerasalingam
Kalingam.
Pantalu worked for widow remarriage.
ठीक है. Any other point for the same question?
Veerasalingam opened his first girls' school in 1874, and in 1878 organized a society for social reform.
ठीक है. This we can.
Ma'am, equal remuneration and maternity benefit act.
Which one?
Ma'am, maternity benefit act and equal remuneration.
बेटा ये मैटरनिटी बेनिफिट तो बहुत लेट में आया था ना, बहुत जल्दी कहाँ आ गया था ये? कब आया था ये मैटरनिटी वाला और इक्वल रिन्यूएशन? बताओ.
मैम याद नहीं है.
है ना, इट केम क्वाइट लेट आई बिलीव. ये हमने उसे पढ़ा था ना, सिविक्स में तो पढ़ा था हमने ये चैप्टर, ये आंसर.
Yes.
1961 में आया था मैटरनिटी बेनिफिट, और इक्वल रिन्यूमरेशन आया था आपका 1948 में, है ना? तो इनको हम कंसिडर नहीं करेंगे बेटा. उसका रीजन ये है कि जो है वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द टाइम पीरियड व्हेन ब्रिटिश वर ओवर हियर ruling over us, and with the help of these British officials, how the Indian social reformers, could bring changes in the society, right?
Ma'am, Britishers achieved substantial progress in eliminating inequalities between men and women. And ma'am, we can add this sati system one also.
You can write about sati system also.
Ma'am, because it was in 1829.
1829 में था. उसके बारे में आप बता सकते हो?
In 1829, sati system was a barbaric custom, was banned by the Britishers. And ma'am, the third point.
And
Ma'am, this law was passed on 13 July 1856 and to be called as Widow Remarriage Act.
ठीक है. ठीक है.
Ma'am, we can add this point also because it's in 1856.
You can write. Very good. Even you can also write about this Prarthana Samaj that was established for supporting the women education. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए और बताइए. Any other point could be added?
Ma'am, some laws were enacted by Britishers in 1870, 1804 to stop female infanticide.
You can write, specify that. Actually, see, the thing is, you need to write all those things that are given in the chapter. We know that, there are several other things that were done by the British to overcome the situation that was prevalent in the society for the women. But then only those that are given in the book, that will be more relevant for you people to understand and, relate also, to learn also. Otherwise, the extra knowledge that I gave you during the explanation of the chapter, that you can use for, that is just for your extra information. ठीक है सारे बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
With this, we come to an end of this chapter, discussion of question answers and everything. Now, in this chapter, what activity you are going to do? Shall I tell you?
Yes, ma'am.
You will write about the social reformers that we have in the chapter, like Raja Ram Mohan Roy. What acts he could bring. So he established Brahmo Samaj, and he also made efforts to ban sati practice. So you have to mention the names of social reformers and work done by them. And work done by them. Okay?
Ma'am, all the reformers.
Yes, the ones which are mentioned in your book. And one interesting thing you will do, you will mark the states to which region these people belonged. Mark the states to which these people belong.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
I'm repeating. You have to write the names of the social reformers and the work done by them. This will be your activity. And you have to, like Raja Ram, all the social reformers, those who were there, they belonged to which state? That state you have to mark. Right? A little brainstorming you need, but then Google Baba is always there to help you. Right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I am repeating again what you have to do. First activity that you need to do is you will be writing names of social reformers and work done by them. बहुत detail में stories you don't have to write. You simply write name of social reformer and work done by them. तो वहां पे लिखोगे राजा राम मोहन रॉय. आप लिखो established Brahmo Samaj, made brought law against sati. Then Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar legalized widow remarriage, opened schools for girls. ठीक है? Then write about Swami Vivekanand, established Ramakrishna Mission. Then write about this Govind Ranade and R.G. Bhandarkar that established Brahmo Samaj and founded the National Social Conference to focus attention on social reforms. ठीक है? Then Behram Ji Malabari, he tried to overcome the evils of child marriage this way. I hope I am clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
हाँ प्राची
ma'am,
बेटा.
in history notebook only we have to do this.
Yes, in history notebook only you have to do this.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है?